Hey guys, I heard that you want free Minecraft hosting. Don't worry, I got you. In this server, you have 200% CPU, 5 GB RAM, and also you can share access of the server with your friends. It's lag-free and 1000 times better than a... Alright, let's stop trash talk and start the video. Search seedloaf.com. Sign up using your Discord. Your account has been successfully created. Now create your server and copy the same settings for best performance. Congrats! Now your server has been created. Now start your server. The server is now started. Let's join IT now. Congratulations! You can now play in your server. As you can see, our server is working perfectly fine. Here is how you can make yourself operator. As you can see, the TPS of the server is also perfectly fine. As you can see, the world generation is smooth like butter. Still, no lag at all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you liked the video. I will see you in the next video.